If I told you that with just a few everyday kitchen ingredients, you could help your Anthurium grow healthier, look greener, and bloom consistently all year, would you believe it? In today's video, I'll show you a fully natural, chemical-free care method that's easy to follow at home, yet delivers real results most people overlook. So stick with me until the end, because every small step in this routine plays a role in making a real difference for your Anthurium. Before moving on to the next care steps, I always inspect the overall condition of the Anthurium. Upon closer observation, I notice many young leaves growing densely at the base, creating overcrowding and uneven nutrient distribution. When leaves grow too closely at the base, light and air circulation become limited, causing inner leaves to weaken and creating conditions where moisture can build up. This situation not only slows down the growth of healthy parts, but also increases the risk of fungal diseases and pests, especially in humid environments. That's why adjusting leaf density at the base is a small but crucial step, helping the plant stay well ventilated, grow more evenly, and prepare to absorb nutrients effectively in the next care stages. Now, I'm using rice, a very common kitchen ingredient that can be highly beneficial for Anthurium when used properly. I take 3 tablespoons of clean rice, place them in a glass jar, then pour in 1 liter of boiling water and stir well. Hot water helps release starch, B vitamins, and mild minerals from the rice. These nutrients support stronger root growth, encourage beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, and help the plant absorb nutrients more efficiently. After stirring, I let the mixture steep for about 30 minutes, allowing it to cool completely before use, making the solution gentle and safe for Anthurium. Next, I use the second ingredient, cinnamon powder. While commonly found in the kitchen, cinnamon is well known for its natural protective properties in plant care. I add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder to a clean glass jar. Then pour in 1 liter of boiling water and gently stir to blend it evenly. While the water is still warm, the natural compounds in the cinnamon begin to release. I let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes, allowing the solution to become more stable and gentle for plant use. After steeping, the cinnamon solution helps reduce harmful fungi and bacteria while supporting root zone protection, especially in humid conditions. This step helps the Anthurium stay more stable and ready to absorb nutrients in the next care stages. After soaking the rice for about 30 minutes, I gently stir the solution to evenly distribute the nutrients. I then strain out all the rice grains, keeping only the clear, nutrient-infused water. This step helps remove residue and reduces the risk of root blockage and fungal growth. Which country are you watching from? I'm happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect and chat together, no matter where you are in the world. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to dilute the rice water, then stir again. Dilution makes the solution gentle, preventing plant shock during root watering or foliar spraying, especially for Anthurium. With the solution properly diluted and well stirred, we obtain a natural nutrient source that is safe and easy for the plant to absorb. Step 1. I prepare a clean cotton pad and soak it evenly with the diluted rice solution. I then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves, starting from the top side and moving to the underside, using slow and careful motions. Wiping the leaves with rice solution is more than simple cleaning. During this process, dust, bacteria, and tiny insects on the leaf surface are removed, allowing the leaves to breathe more freely. Rice solution contains soluble starch, B vitamins, and mild minerals which can penetrate the leaf surface, improving photosynthesis efficiency, supporting deeper green foliage, and enhancing the plant's natural resistance. When the leaves are clean and healthy, the plant can absorb light more effectively, generating more energy for the growth of roots, leaves, and flowers. Regular leaf wiping with rice solution supports steady growth without stressing young leaf tissue. Regularly wiping the leaves with rice solution keeps the plant clean and healthy, while also making the foliage brighter, enhancing the overall visual appeal of the Anthurium in your living space. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed into multiple languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily switch languages in the video settings. Step 2. After finishing the leaf wiping step, I pour the diluted rice solution into a clean spray bottle. I then mist the entire Anthurium plant, including the leaves, stems, and base, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more evenly. Spraying the rice solution provides clear benefits. When applied as a fine mist, nutrients can evenly coat the leaf surface, allowing the plant to absorb them gently and efficiently through the leaves. Rice solution contains soluble starch, B vitamins, and mild minerals which help improve metabolic activity, support healthier leaves, and encourage the growth of new shoots and young tips. In addition, spraying rice solution helps maintain proper surface moisture, reduces leaf dryness, and supports a more balanced leaf environment, lowering the risk of leaf spots and moisture-related issues. When sprayed evenly, nutrients are distributed across multiple parts of the plant, nourishing it internally while keeping the foliage fresh and vibrant. As a result, the Anthurium becomes not only healthier but also more visually appealing. After about 30 minutes of steeping, the cinnamon powder releases its natural active compounds, which help suppress harmful fungi and bacteria. I then strain out all the cinnamon residue, keeping only the clear, plant-safe solution. Next, I combine the cinnamon solution with the previously prepared rice water and stir well so both liquids blend evenly. This combination creates a gentle, biological nutrient solution free from chemicals, helping the plant absorb nutrients steadily, develop stronger roots, and build natural resistance. Step 3. After mixing the rice water and cinnamon solution, I gently water the entire growing medium of the Anthurium. I water slowly so the solution can gradually reach the root zone without disturbing the substrate. Rice water provides soluble starch and B vitamins, helping nourish the roots and support beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium. Meanwhile, cinnamon helps stabilize the root environment and reduce fungal and bacterial issues. When applied evenly, the roots can absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, promoting stronger root growth and more stable plant development. Applying this mixture periodically at a mild concentration helps keep the growing medium loose, supports microbial balance, and reduces common root problems, promoting long-term healthy growth. With a healthy root system, the Anthurium grows more evenly, produces deep green new leaves, and blooms more consistently over time after watering. I let the pot soak in the mixture for about 10 minutes, then lift it out to drain. After soaking the plant in the nutrient solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the pot and allow excess water to drain, avoiding any damage to the roots. Step 4. I begin removing excess water from the leaves to protect them and prevent disease. I use a soft, clean, absorbent cloth to gently wipe the entire leaf surface, paying special attention to leaf joints and veins, where water tends to collect. When water remains on the leaves for too long, especially in humid conditions, it creates an ideal environment for fungal growth, mealybugs, and leaf rot. Drying the leaves helps reduce prolonged moisture, significantly lowering the risk of disease. Clean, dry leaves allow the plant to photosynthesize more efficiently and improve its natural respiration. This step also helps prevent water stains and white spots that can form when moisture evaporates on the leaf surface. After wiping, I keep the plant in an area with diffused light and gentle airflow, allowing the leaves to dry naturally. This final step helps the plant recover steadily, keeping the Anthurium fresh, healthy, and ready for its next growth stage. With just simple kitchen ingredients, you can care for your Anthurium naturally at home, without chemical fertilizers or complicated methods. With a little time and care, the plant responds with healthy green leaves, lasting blooms, and strong vitality. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.